Hello world, siema, dzień dobry wszystkim, I'm Damian from TheMonkeys. Today is another day in lovely Bali, Indonesia obviously. And today is another day of the virtual live stream, virtual tour across Bali streets. Today I'm in Seminyak, in the area of 66, and everything what I'm gonna cover today will be all around Seminyak in general, guys. This is 66 hotel. I'm starting here and I'm gonna finish today's walk here. I'm gonna walk now to Jalan Arjuna, and then I'm gonna go up north to Seminyak, to the Eat Street, Kaya Ayu, and then to Kudeta direction, and then to Mexicola direction, and then to passing Biku, Potato Head, Shishi Forge, and stuff like this, up to Livingstone and Monsieur Spoon in Petitenget, Kerobokan. Then I'm gonna grab taxi, maybe Bluebird today, just for the video purposes, come back here, and then I'm gonna have a radler and watching the sunset at the end of the day. I hope so. It's gonna be beautiful sunset and it's not gonna be rainy at the same time. That's gonna be about 2 hours video live stream today. So welcome all. I know some of you just wake up, some of you just going sleep soon because it's already late night. Some of you is still working. If you have time, grab some beers, grab some drinks, maybe lunch, maybe breakfast. And I hope so at least some of you gonna watch me till the end today. And during the first 2 hours is the live chat, so you can communicate with the other people who are watching right now. And if you're gonna watch it later, you can watch the always playback, comment what do you think about these places and everything, current light. I ask you to join the discussion. And yeah, this is how it is. The beach situation here is the Jungle Space Club. This is the almost entrance to the Jalan Arjuna. Well, it's very hot actually. It's very hot, guys. Hold on, it's actually hard to carry the water and the camera at the same hand. This is the main entrance to the 66. So this video later, if you're watching especially for the playback, this is not edited video. This is like a 2 hours totally raw material without totally anything edited. It's like a live. It is live. I'm doing this like a live, and well, that's how it is today. The live in Seminyak, guys. I hope so. Just that's not gonna be rainy. The weather is not so really best nowadays. And okay, I will change the camera position, and I will from now on I will showing you what this looks at the front of me. I'm just approaching the little bit like a 200 meters the empty zone, which is the Sinkankan hotel. Used to be because it's closed, I think. Okay, changing the position. So the hotels here, there are some boutique hotels here, 1 and 2, but they are closed. I mean, Sinkankan is closed. On this one is Sinkankan, and this one is different. I don't know, but it's also closed. All right, hold on, guys. I need to change the position. All right, this hand is much better. So this is like a little dead area. I mean, there is nothing around, just the walls between the hotels. So maybe I'm gonna show you, as some of you guys was thinking, as I wear sandals while walking. Now I'm wearing the shoe. Here you go. I'm wearing the shoe. Very nice, actually classic Nikes. I don't know what's the name, but they are classic Nikes. And yeah, it's definitely much easier to walking wearing the shoe. Definitely you cannot do in the walks like this with the sandal, because after 20 minutes of walking like this, you will feel really pain. Even Winnie, when she's walking with me, sometimes she likes to wear sandal, even she have shoes and everything, but she's still usually taking the sandal, and she's already complaining after a few minutes. This is so painful for the feet, so you have to wear it. Also, bring yourself drink, water, or I don't know, you can have a bintang if you want. Also, it's really no problem about that. And this is already the beginning of Jalan Arjuna, and the situation of the shops, any kind of shops, bazaars, well, many things around. I used to vlog here last week actually, so maybe you are familiar, maybe you remember. You can buy petrol here. Here we go. Very loud bike, but well, many of you guys actually missing the sounds of the street. So yeah, many shops are open now. Back slowly something is going on. Definitely Jalan Arjuna looks each week better and better to compare to the previous weeks, previous times. That's 100% for sure. Well, many still are closed, like this one for example, but definitely in general situation is getting better and better. At least it seems like, at least in Seminyak. Well, Seminyak, Canggu, definitely that's the areas what are kinda busier. Anyway, let me know in the comment section or in the live chat if you are watching right now. What do you prefer, if I'm walking, even it's slow, or even it's maybe more shaky, or you prefer when I'm doing the driving videos? Let me know, especially for the live stream, because right now I can cover only 1 hour, 2 hours only Seminyak area, but if driving I can cover like in 2 hours, let's say Kuta Legian, Seminyak and Canggu, all in one, every week for example, or you may be more detailed, like now. Let's just slowly walking. All right, so the shops here, everything open, many of them actually, maybe not all of them, but many of them, and many also closed. Still guys, well, the situation is basically how it is, but definitely there are some domestic tourists walking around also as well. That's good. So that's good, as at least domestic people still coming. Warungs open. Yo. Yeah, definitely better vibe nowadays in Bali. Definitely more businesses are open, and also traffic is getting better and better. Many people going for early sunset to 666. I don't know if you can even hear me what I'm saying whenever the loud bikes passing by, especially loud like this. But yeah, so I'm gonna try to don't move my camera too fast and too often, and focus on one point. It's easier for you to watch and enjoy, I believe. If it will be something very interesting, I will show you, that's for sure. Anyway, so this is the entrance to the Horizon Seminyak. Yo, what's up? Even the tour guide is back already. Yo, that's good. That's the Horizon. How are you, my friend? All good? Good. Good luck with your business, all right?
Yes, quiet. Thank you.
Still quiet, but maybe next month will be busier, yeah? Maybe next month, all right? Take care, my friend. So the tour guide is back. Yo. Many people actually come back already, waiting for you as you guys gonna come back. However, after 2 or 3 videos what we make, hello, even the Grub driver saying hello. Anyway, after a few videos, that's a very dangerous situation right now, because car park like this and this small street you have to passing by. This hotel is closed. Anyway, I just wanted to mention as after, well, these are on these loud bikes. It's really so hard, guys. What I was saying? Anyway, you can rent the place. Ladies probably not included, but you can rent the place. Tattoo shops. Yeah. Anyway, I was saying as what I was saying, guys? Oh, as the visa on arrival is come back, and there is potentially no quarantine, but well, still he needs to book the hotel and everything. And seems like actually the interest of coming to Bali is not as big as some people was expecting. Few of you already said as you will come back, guys, soon, but most of you said still waiting for when will be totally easy. And also the good news actually is, I mean, maybe that's not the good news to Bali actually directly, but the good news is as the Thailand is planning to declare in July this year status of endemic, which means they will rid of everything, the testing, wearing masks, any kind of quarantines and everything. Just simply life gonna back to nearly normal in Thailand in July. So, well, that's great news for Thailand. Thailand already took so many thousands of people anyway, so, but that's definitely good news for Thailand, as they planning to declare like that. But well, let's see if the rest of the country is gonna follow the Thailand. Basically, Bali is following the Thailand and other countries, but after half year, Thailand start doing something what Bali doing now in October 2021, and it's March 2022, so 6 months later, Bali is doing the same. So that's mean, if we are following the same system as Bali, maybe Indonesia will declare endemic, and the rest of the countries in January or February 2023, which is 1 year from now. Sounds kind of optimistic, I could say, or maybe not really, depends. I mean, Europe is almost, some countries already declaring, so I hope so Bali will be, Indonesia will be next, one day soon. Anyway, this is like a hotel, totally not in the best shape. I mean, I think it was open. I think I had some friend who used to stay here long time ago, like a few years ago, and I'm not sure if it's now. Anyway, it doesn't look that optimistic. Here is some tattoo shop, used to be, now the people selling nasi instead, perhaps. Some shops with the thingy like this, and heading now to the main street of the corner of Jalan Arjuna. This is Jalan Arjuna, and this is the border between, this is Legian, this is Seminyak. One more time, Legian, Seminyak, heading there. So this is Arjuna. At the front, if you're gonna go straight, that will be Nakula Street. And I forgot, well, obviously if you're gonna go, left, I mean the right, will be Legian. And I don't know what's the name of the street where I'm gonna go now to Seminyak. Anyway, not sure if that's actually really 100% marble, but yeah, that's what it is. This is the new cars nowadays, so many of them. There is no footpath. This is the famous corner with the apotheke and minimart, and we are heading now here. I still don't know what's the name of the street here. I cannot find the name. However, the traffic looks kind of busy. Actually, many foreigners also here around, not only Bali people. Kind of busy, I could say. Check this out. Loud situation on the street, but definitely kind of busier, and more people open their business. Hello. The guy was not really friendly. Doesn't really matter. Not in the best mood, maybe. They haven't. I don't know what is it actually, but looks nice. Either it's cafe or something. They haven't. Hotel, suites, villas, restaurants, and spa. Breakfast for 50k. Buffet breakfast. It's actually not so bad, actually, I think, for Seminyak area. Anyway, so heading now to Seminyak. I mean, I'm already in Seminyak, but heading now to area of Kayayu Street or 8th Street. Somewhere over there, where is the orange something? It's gonna be Bintang Supermarket. Hello.
Me too. Hi.
How are you? Massage ladies and massage boys waiting for you guys. There's like so many actually shops are open already. This is like definitely so much hope in the air. There is JN. I don't know what is it. There's some lovely couple foreigners also walking at the front. So there is maybe there is not so busy yet, but definitely you can feel a little bit of improvement already. There are definitely some people walking by, which is good. Hello. People are waving, smiling, happy. That seems pretty alright. It's really not so bad. It's very hot, that's for sure, guys. Keep it in mind, it is very hot. But after that, it's not so bad. Yeah, another massage ladies waiting. So many spas here and so many restaurants and other businesses. This is Ryoshi in Seminyak, open, guys. Oh, this guy is driving electric skateboard. I should have something like this, like Casey Neistat in New York City or something, or Brett Conti. Yeah, well, that's actually cool, but very dangerous at the same time. But cool. I have to say, it's cool. Anyway, so many refurbishments. Seems like something is going on, guys. I mean, yeah, there's still many buildings for rent, like on the other side of the street, alright. But yeah, street seems a little bit more alive today. That's for sure, guys. The Seminyak shoots somewhere there. Pantry restaurant closed still. Anyway, Repco and the currency statues right now for everyone who are thinking, what is it? Hello, how are you today? Maybe later, thank you. Oh, thank you. The one lady on the floor was sitting over here, just realizes I'm doing the live. Then I passed her. So funny. Palm Lagoon. I think I'm walking a little bit slower today, guys. I feel hot. It's hot in general. So, visa agent looks fancy. But yeah. So apologies if it's too slow. That's why I'm asking you prefer walking or driving. Let me know in the comments. And this is a famous area of Bintang Supermarket in Seminyak, guys. Here we go. Will be open very soon. The new building looks like this. Here we go. Still not open, but it's gonna be open very soon. I'm gonna stop for a while. Check this out. This cable is just behind me and will be looks like this. This will be the main entrance, I think, and there will be some other shops. Looks pretty alright, I think, like this. I'm gonna show you slowly 360. Okay, one more time for everyone, for Bintang Supermarket. If you are thinking, looks like this, guys. Gonna be open soon, whenever the most of people gonna come back, so they will have many customers. Yo, hello. They will come back anyway. Happy workers here, still under construction, little bit. Check this out, these cables. By the way, always happy to see the cables. Anyway, the religion. Somebody asked me about the shop of religion. Here we go, guys. It's open. They have a 50% sale, 50% wine shop. So at the moment, I could say 30-40% of businesses are open, and over 30-40% of buildings are for rent, and 20% are just simply not bankruptcy. They are still seems like exist but closed. So that's how I reckon the situation right now. And the improvement of foreigner people driving around like this one, I can see about plus few percent. It's still quiet, but definitely more action is going around. What it was here? The Yuns Bali. Retail and wholesale, yeah, whatever. God damn it, this guy with this skateboard lah. He's doing Insta story lah. I need to think really about that. It looks really cool lah. And definitely easier for him than for me lah. But I'm not sure about the safety, because yeah, this is another massage ladies at the front. Let's see if they are happy to be on the camera or not. Hello, thank you. Hi, how are you? I'm okay, bye. This ladies was very nice today, very friendly. I don't know if the massage lady or any other business owners didn't realize yet if they are like wants to be on the camera. It's good for their advertisement, right? I believe some of you guys who are watching this live stream and just passing these ladies, this loud bikes really makes me losing my patience. Seriously, lad, guys. What I was saying again? Tourists from Jakarta. This car, this Alphard. What is this Biasa? I don't know. Seems like some popular restaurant or shop or something. Anyway, what I was saying? Oh, if these people, these ladies are so nice and so friendly and everything, and actually they are very nice. I believe some of you would like to come for massage to them, to support and everything. So it's good advertisement for them. You know where to find them and everything. Anyway, I saw many foreigners actually right now. many buildings for rent also. This guy has put so many stickers, by the way. Everybody can see this is for rent. You're not gonna, well, it's very over contract Arjuna, so yeah, that's why he put so many stickers. So many actually still here. Still so many. Well, heading all day, all way straight up to Kayayu Street. Gonna have a walk through the most popular street in Seminyak. This is not the most popular street in Seminyak, not yet, but it's worth to show you anyway. There's nice entrance with the tigers. So yeah, the situation in Seminyak looks like this today. It's not so bad. It's this little gangak, so have to always be careful if nobody driving fast. Definitely more people around, that's for sure. That's 100% for sure, right? I mean, it's still very quiet. Well, it's very far to the stage what it was, that's for sure. But you know, guys, well, if you maybe don't know, I'm doing vlogs every single day since almost 2 years right now, and I'm since the beginning of current situation in Bali, all the time, every single day, and I can see everything every day, and I can tell you guys, some of you watching me every day as well, so you know, it's definitely is little bit more alive today, definitely. There is some construction of the temple, by the way. This is actually worth to show you to how they are doing this. The Banjar put a lot of money on it. This is the project. That's gonna look like. This is the people, the building, and this one. There's actually, it's gonna be nice actually, very nice. Better than empty. I need to cross the street right now. It's not so easy. It's very hard actually. Hello. Oops, between the cars, between the motorbikes, between the ladies and dogs and everyone, everybody's smiling. Welcome to Bali, guys. I believe some of you must miss these vibes and the loud bikes. This Kingsway is the new place. Yo, very actually busy now. Not sure what is going on. But guys, check this out. It's actually definitely more live, guys. Sorry guys, sometimes when it's so loud, especially the bikes, I'm losing the... they distract me quite a little bit. I mean, yeah, not quiet, just a little bit. So I'm sorry about that, but after that it's pretty alright vibe. I mean, definitely better. I believe in next 2-3 months. I mean, maybe not, yeah, I hope so. I really hope in next 2-3 months, during the summertime in Europe, there will be already busier enough, and I'm gonna start making really interesting live streams. Because if everything will be open here, okay, maybe everything is not gonna be open in this year, but 70%, let's say, it will be already quite busy, and will be pretty alright to making the interesting live streams and videos in general, because everybody would like to talk with you, to you, offer you something with some action. And that will be actually cool and interesting. So meanwhile, yeah, it's still a lot of buildings for rent, guys. Still, I have to say. All right, guys, I need to open my water bottle and drink a little bit. It's about 25 minutes of live stream right now, anyway. But well, this is the area of Mother's Warung in Seminyak, or Azumi Studio of Tattoo. Warung's a very popular place, legendary I could say, worth to show you Warung's Mother. Here we go, the security guy. The parking is there, deep inside, and this is the entrance somewhere here for pedestrians. Here we go, big bikes. Actually most of these big bikes riders, they are foreigners. Definitely more of them right now than before, that's I can say for sure. No, thank you, maybe later. This is the entrance to the Warung Mother since 1969. Here we go. This is already some local drivers driving around. Here we go, this is actually a nice thing you can buy. little bit ATM section. Sorry for the shakiness little bit, but it's, you know, little bit hard. It's actually harder to making these videos than watching them. I like what some of you guys said. So I watched this video for 2 hours and having already a few bintangs, a few other beers and peanuts and chips. It was really a good show. I'm really happy as you enjoyed, guys. I really appreciate that. I hope so more and more people each week will watch me, because making these videos is not easy. I mean, it's not that I'm complaining or something, it's just very hard to walk in this heat, guys. Seriously, like, today is a little bit cloudy. Well, the sky is gray, but actually it's better than it will be sunny. I mean, still it's very hot, it's 30 degrees and extreme humid, guys, but definitely better than will be sunny, because at least maybe I'm not gonna have a little sunburn tomorrow. Anyway, here's a little bit stroll with the most of the shops are still closed, unfortunately, on this side of the street and on the other side of the street also. So this is like a little empty zone, dead zone, or whatever you call this. This area is more likely popular for the boutiques and any other kind of things, like this one, for example, Body Lab or something, whatever. By the way, nice Mercedes over here. Somebody has a nice cars around. And yeah, I'm not that familiar with this area actually of Seminyak. On this street, a certain spot where I'm now, usually I was just passing this street without too much walking around and thinking about. But yeah, but this is already end of the street soon. Hello. Happy people. That's good. That's good. Nice shop. Enjoying a little bit of the traffic on the street. I'm heading now to the North Seminyak, to the more central part of Seminyak actually. Yo. Here we go, guys. Traffic, the leaves falling down, little bit like what is it called? Like Atrium in Europe. This is bo bun, Vietnamese cuisine. Had the po once here, but quite expensive. But it's very nice, I have to say. Really not so bad. The Asian touch. Shops, boutiques, a lot. And yeah, welcome to Bali, welcome to Seminyak, guys. If you just joined today's live stream video somehow, welcome. Don't forget about that big thumb up, guys. I really appreciate. Every time I'm asking for that, but that's very important and it's totally for free, cost you nothing. Anyway, guys, I think I will make a video, one quick tutorial how to like my videos on TV, because by statistics about 30% of you guys watching my YouTube videos on TV, and I know most of you unfortunately don't know how to like the video, but it's actually possible, guys. So maybe I will make it in the next week if I'm gonna have a while. Let me know, guys. Anyway, likes are very important, guys. It's totally for free, cost you nothing, but it's very important. Anyway, the situation here a little bit slightly more quiet now, I could say. It's going a little bit to be windy. I hope so it's not gonna be rainy, because if that will be rainy I will have to finish soon, but we don't wanna do it, right? I hope so you guys enjoy my live stream still, guys, and the video in general later on when you are watching. I know some of you actually watching since the early beginning, since the first minute up to very end, guys. I really appreciate that. Really big thank you to you guys. You know, guys, like, you enjoy my videos, so that means as you appreciate my work. what I'm doing with making this video for you. It's not easy to do it actually, you know that. Anyway, you know how is it. So I really appreciate that. It's going to be a little bit dark. I hope so. It's not gonna be rainy. Seriously, like it. That's maybe not really good, but hopefully not. Hopefully not. But I can already feel the rain a little bit. That's really not so good. You know, it will be a little bit rainy, it's alright, but if it's gonna be like a very heavy rain, that's not good. Don't wanna walk in the rain. I mean, you know, my camera is waterproof, or at least water resistant. For rain will be totally no problem. But my microphone's not really, and then may be broken. But even if so, it's nothing nice to walk in the rain, like being totally wet. What is this? Actually looks nice. Carlo pizza. Not so bad. Oh, nice thingy. Well, maybe it's not gonna be raining, right? Yo! Many happy people around. Happy dogs also, I think. Many happy people. That's nice. Just passed two foreigners, guys. Didn't show them actually, but yeah. So definitely some people already arrived to Bali. That's 100%. I can see that. That's you know, you can feel it. You know, if you walk, you know, experience everything like this since the past 2 years, and you see somebody walking on the street in this area, you know as they must come not so long ago, because this was this people wasn't here just a month ago, right? It was 2-3 months ago was nobody here actually. So yeah, very serious stuff now. All right. Going now very soon to the end. This is the Doppio Pink Cafe, very popular, especially during current situation. They opened not so long ago. It's going to be a little bit rainy, but it's alright. Still situation is acceptable. This is Bank Mega at the front. Shampoo launch. And we are going now into direction of Kayayu Street. I mean, not yet, but almost. Very hot, guys, by the way. Situation here like this. This is the corner of TSL, Shampoo Lounge and Bali Barber. Satay over here. It's going to be very windy actually. I hope so you can still hear me properly. So anyway, this is the corner. There is the Burger King on Sunset Road. This is the junction, the corner. Oops, little bit messy. I messed up. So this is the Sunset Road. This is the corner of TSL. We are going now straight to the House Corner restaurant and the beginning of Kayayu Street. So we will see. This is a little bit like a less popular part of the street, part of Seminyak. Usually people park their cars here on the street because this is the only one area in Seminyak, in this area of Kayayu, where you could leave your car. So usually if I'm even by myself, if I drive, well, now you could find maybe space because it's still quiet, but in normal conditions you have to leave the car over here and walk a little bit. You cannot, in normal conditions you couldn't find the space in Kayayu. Well, now maybe still yes, but in normal conditions. So, well, yeah, there's like a pet shop, stuff like this. All right, there is good news is there is the black sky, but there is little bit bright sky, and I'm all the time leaning into this direction, so I hope so. It's gonna be actually no rain. Whew. I think I got a little bit tired because I lose my what I wanted to say actually, and it's not even many loud bikes around. It's a little bit like a deserted part of Seminyak actually. I didn't even realize that. Oh, that's a nice tree. Very nice tree actually. Very nice. Nice, I like it. Very rare in Bali. So, anyway, gonna speed up a little bit because maybe some of you who, for some of you maybe it's boring a little bit in this part of the Seminyak in the street actually right now, so some of you maybe switch off the video. That's totally understandable, but at the same time it's painful. You know. Hello. Nice. Did you see this lady? What the hell? Well, but welcome to Seminyak, guys. All right, guys. Some people walking on the street. I will stop here for a while to show you around. I'm gonna hit there. This is the area of Kayayu Street. Should be kinda little bit busy. How are you? I don't know who was that, but nice. Always nice if somebody's saying hi to me. This is the Kerobokan area, Petitenget. You can go there. I come from this street. It's going to be a little bit rainy, but I hope so I can still continue my stroll and my live stream. I really hope so. I really hope so I can make it. It's a little bit rainy, guys, so that's not really good. And yeah, this area is supposed to be a little bit more visual actually here already. Supposed to be like some restaurants and some shops, but seems like not anymore. And this one also doesn't look that much optimistic, guys, I would say. Tata Kayo, this is like a furniture, steel furniture here. And alright, guys, ladies and gentlemen, this is the corner house area, and I used to drive, make a vlog on this street where this couple is going, but today we are focused on Kayayu Street, starting from corner house, guys. For everyone who are familiar or not, they are massage ladies. Hello. Thank you. Yeah, very good. Bali is good. Bali is okay, guys. As lady said, this is a corner house. We used to vlog here about 1 year ago, if you are interested. And yeah, this is Kayayu Street, which is for some people considered as the street, which means as the street. Well, 40% of businesses around there are restaurants, or used to be at least. Some of them they are closed, some of them they are open. I used to vlog here also quite often, regularly, but mostly driving actually. Sometimes walk. Very nice this thing, by the way. Very nice decoration. I'll stop for a while to show you. So deep inside the small gangs like this, they are the villas, because so many villas actually around. But sushi advertisement. But with so many shops, shops. There is some gelato big shop also at the front somewhere here. Very popular street in general. If you have ever been in Seminyak, I believe you have to come here. In normal conditions, it's like 4:45 or something. At normal conditions, supposed to be already very busy, and soon will be should be as that busy, as was quicker to walk than drive, because the traffic here was terrible, and also most of the restaurants inside, they were fully booked. So this is the gelato. I think the owner is Italian, by the way. Hi, hello. Thank you. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, maybe later. Yes. How are you today?
Good.
Yes.
You help me. Be my person.
No, maybe later, yeah? Maybe later. Thank you.
Hey, give me my phone.
I don't know if you heard that, but this lady offered me massage. Anyway, this is the, what is it called? I forgot. Red carpet, super popular space. Johnny Rocket's red carpet is open. I really have no patience today to this bike. It's really annoying. Anyway, popular cocoa mat, and the rain is starting very hard. And this is the corner of popular La Favela in Seminyak. Okay, guys, that's it. I am in the big problem. This is the entrance to La Favela here, deep inside. And now I need to find somewhere place where I could stop. Hello! Stop in the shed and don't get too much wet, because that's the already big problem. Okay, this is the one restaurant and this is the shop. Alright, so La Favela is at the front, guys. Yeah, this is the La Favela. I don't know why my focus was a little bit on the down on the screen. This is the La Favela, and the rain is start, and I'm just at the front of the some shop with the shoe and the t-shirts. Alright, I will have opportunity to have a drink. This is like a little construction site. So at the front is the Berlin kebab with the waiters who are wearing very sexy clothes like this. So basically the model of the kebab shop is as they selling the Berlin nice kebabs, at least what they said on the advertisement, and they have a ladies who are wearing very sexy clothes and selling you kebab. Let me know in the comment section if you would like me to come here. This restaurant is just next to La Favela. Probably it's actually a really good idea for them to open this next to this. And this is the some barbecue, by the way, next to Nati's. And this rain is quite heavy. I have opportunity to having my drink right now. I'm a little bit wet already actually, but only a little bit, slightly, as you see on my t-shirts. Really not so bad. There is the construction at the front, so I hope so the rain gonna finish very soon. I will have a little break for my drink, but I know it's not really good for the live stream, because if I stop in one place, many of you probably switch off because nothing is happening. But yeah, it's rain. I don't really want to work during the rain. I hope so you understand. But well, this is the live stream video, so that's how it is. This is the consequences. Not edited, right? I will have a drink and maybe the rain is slowing down a little bit. Meanwhile, I will show you a little bit of the construction situation. The construction situation, this lady is working. So Berlin kebab, La Favela, one more time. The big mouth burgers, and over will be something. And there is some construction. I don't know actually if it's construction of this restaurant or what. But yeah, this is how it is. And yeah, I think the rain is slowing down a little bit, so maybe I will go slowly. Let's see, maybe I will go this. Okay guys, I decide I will walk slowly. I hope so the rain is not so very bad. I'm not gonna get very wet. Seems like it's just, you know, an over tropical rain in Bali. Sometimes it's just 2, 3, 5 minutes and it's gone, but sometimes it can be heavy rain for many hours. And this is what I'm afraid about, that as the rain will be for many hours, but maybe not. So I will walk. I think will be a little bit more quieter now on the streets at the same time, because where people go hide summer, but the rain is finished. This is the Hanover massage ladies at the front. Hello. How are you? Thank you. Thank you. They having a massage, but they don't have a building actually where they gonna make a massage. That's very interesting. Anyway, there's supposed to be Los Gringos here, but the land is not anymore Los Gringos. They removed the posters and land is totally empty. Supposed to be the huge club inside. But I think the owner cancelled the lease, or maybe the lease of the land is finished. Maybe he just make a 1 year or 2 years. I think 2 years. they never built anything, and I think it's nothing gonna be happen around. Well, it's still a little bit rainy, but it's not really bad. This is the Kimberley Spa for everyone. So I passed already the area of popular red carpet. La Favela is open. I forgot to mention about that, but I think you saw that it's open inside. Volcom shop. And this Berlin kebab. Guys, let me know if you would like to see me making video in Berlin kebab. Anyway, the rain is actually still and it's going more and more. I have to go somewhere hide. That's really not easy. And this music in this restaurant, that's also not good. Facing this one, then perhaps don't wanna facing the restaurant where is big music. And well, I cannot go to the restaurant having a coffee or something because many of you will stop watching it, so I need to find somewhere the shelter. Okay. This rain is going very bad. It's actually not raining here, but it's raining here, so if I'm gonna go there, there will be big rain. It's actually so funny, guys. But yeah, that's how it is. Ah, it's raining, okay. I'm going here. Ah. Yeah! Good! How are you? Ah, very good. Oh my god, the rain actually, this is what I predicted, guys. It's really not good. I mean, check this out. Not the best day for the live stream, guys. So the people took the shelter here, including myself. There's one restaurant, and here is something. Oh, that's really good. Big rain. Very big rain. Whew. Check this out. Enjoy the Bali rain, summer rain. Well, what I can say, guys, I will wait here for a few minutes, and if it will be still rainy, I will just grab the taxi, and that will be the end of the live stream, right? It's not so good. Check this out, how it's raining. Really not so good. But maybe it will stop soon. Meanwhile, enjoy the little bit of the traffic and the rain. I will take a little breath. That's so good. So the rain is going more and more, actually harder. Actually, I'm glad as I got the shelter here. Yeah, there are some guys. I don't know what restaurants used to be here, by the way. It's supposed to be something, but I'm not sure. So let's see. Oh, Jimmy. I had a car like this long time ago. Oh my god, this rain. Not so good situation today, guys. Sorry about that. But yeah, that's how it is. At least you can enjoy a little bit of the rain in the raw material from Bali today, guys. Next to Easy Hotel, something like that. By the way, the rain is very strong. Very strong indeed, guys. The rain is slowing down. There is some local domestic tourists with the Alphar registration W going to some of the restaurants. Check this out. But yeah, after that it's really not much happening, guys. Really not the best situation today for the live stream. I'm so sorry, guys. Really apologize. But yeah, that's how it is, guys. I hope so you understand. I will wait here for another few minutes. I hope so the rain will finish and I can continue today. If not, I really understand, as some of you already switching off the video and well, stop watching it. I'm so sorry about that. I will see you on next one, but if you still have time, stay with me. I hope so I can continue today's the live stream anyway. Let's watch a little bit of the street. How does it look like? Here we go. A little traffic, the boys waiting. Unfortunately, they didn't seem like, yeah, not the best situation, guys. Enjoy the sound of the rain a little bit, guys. At least something different than usual. Actually, now I'm just thinking, and in this Warung Bar 68 they have a Bintang. Maybe I could have a rather beer there. They should have it, but first I need to cross the street where it's already raining very hard. And second, there is the music, what I cannot, you know, I will get a problem on YouTube, and I'm not gonna ask them to switch off the video, right? That's not, I mean, the switch off the music, that's not how does it work. But the rain is going harder and harder. Check this out, actually. There's not even Bluebird taxis driving around. But I can order Grub, but yeah, situation. Big rain, guys. Some people passing by. Actually, most of these cars are passing by the outside Bali cars. So like domestic tourists, like from different islands of Indonesia, who decide to come to Bali using their own cars. These guys go somewhere, and this situation really not so good, very not handy today. But yeah, let's see and wait, maybe we'll be alright. This is Alfred from W. Oh yeah, it's on Blobber, but oh, it's okay, I'm still here, maybe if so I will take a next time, but let's see. I'm still here, guys, with you. Oh no. Okay, guys, so next, I don't know, the sky doesn't look that much optimistic. Maybe next Bluebird I will go. Stuck little bit not in the best spot, because at least I could have a radler somewhere. I mean, like I said, the situation in this Meja Bar 68, maybe we'll be right when, you know. Big rain, my friend. Very big. That's not good. Yeah, I know. Alright, guys, I think if nothing will change, because this rain can be very long. Doesn't look like tropical rain for 5 minutes. It's already like, I don't know how many minutes. There is little bit blue sky, but after that the rain is very hard. If there will be another Bluebird taxi, I will just take it, and eventually I can have a radler in 66 later on if suddenly the rain will finish, but doesn't look like that now. Very big rain. No taxis driving around. Really not the best situation. Not mention us doing the live stream. Really not so good. I never ever wanted to see, to be honest, the Bluebird taxi like now. Normally they honk and make you distract, but today, right now, in the situation like this right now, I really wish there is passing one, but must passing from this direction like this, he'll well fire. The guy, yo, he took shoe. He was walking with shoe, now he took off the shoe, this guy. That's so funny. I'm so sorry I cannot read your messages, guys, because my screen in the camera is off. I hope so you understand that. I believe some of you texting a lot. I will try to open my second phone I mean the phone, and maybe text with you a little bit. Yeah, but now the situation, by the way, looks like this. Yeah, waiting for change or waiting for what's happened? Waiting for change or waiting for taxi? What's going on? I don't know what this guy wants. And there's no taxi. That's not good. Whew. Nice lady. Oh my god. Yeah. Maybe it's gonna be actually rain, maybe gonna pass. Let's see. Let's see. There is actually the sky looks little bit brighter. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Let's hope, guys. Rain is getting better and better actually. Maybe it will be alright. What do you think, guys? Maybe, I hope so, really, I hope so. I was nearly, to be honest, taking the bluebird to going back, but well, can you hear the music already? It's so loud. I couldn't go there for the rattler. Actually, it's very hard for me even to facing this restaurant right now because I cannot afford to get the problems with YouTube about the music, but they have a very loud music at the front. That's the problem of having a rattler if it's not by the beach, you know what I mean, guys. But yeah, the rain is slowing down. It's definitely slowing down. Maybe I'm gonna go very soon, guys. Hope so, hope so. Well, this is like a port. The water is not so strong anymore. A little bit view of the street. Maybe I'm gonna go soon. I think I'm gonna go soon, yes. Well, I'm not made from sugar, right? And I'm working already for almost 1 hour, so I was sweaty anyway. So, but yeah, still a little bit. Still a little bit. Maybe soon, maybe soon. Stay with me, guys. Stay with me, guys. I hope so will be fine. I hope so will be fine, yes. Seems like the rain is getting stronger and stronger again. There is very gray sky from this side. There is seems like okay. I don't know even if you can see anything because the camera is already so well. I think I'm gonna take this bluebird taxi right now. And I'm gonna go. I'm sorry, guys. Maybe not this one yet. Maybe I will wait for a while. Or maybe I should take him. Oh no, actually he's going somewhere left. Somebody ordered him. Okay, guys, I will take another bluebird and I'm gonna go back to 666. Yeah, I'm gonna go to 666, guys, and let's see. Seems like the rain is not gonna stop. Unfortunately, I'm so sorry, guys, but yeah, that's how it is. Still rain. What's going on? Check this out. Little escort in Indonesia. DK6. Not so bad. However, the rain still. But the sun is actually coming, so maybe it's not gonna be rain. Okay, this is the bluebird. Should I take it or not? Maybe I'm gonna order Grub today, actually, or maybe I'm gonna wait. Let's see. Let's see and wait. Another bluebird, and the Grub, and the music. Alright, guys. I'm gonna take next bluebird. I'm taking seriously. Like, this is really not the best situation today. Really not so best. I mean, the sun is coming, but I'm not sure if it's gonna be or not. Really not sure about that. Look at this guy sleeping. Very nice. Just chilling around. Alright. Alright, alright, alright. I will move a little bit, I think, soon. Really not the best situation, guys, but yeah. Okay, the rain, I think, is gonna be a little bit lower. I will try myself to walk a little bit. Let's see. Alright, take care, my friend. Good luck. Hey, look at this guy. Good luck. All right. It's not that bad. I mean, it's a little bit rainy, but it's sunny. I was nearly desperate to go home and taking what is it called? Bluebird, but I don't know. Doesn't work. Here you're supposed to be actually, well, I will cross the street because I will show you a little bit. Here, exactly where I am now, supposed to be Rumors, popular place, but it's closed. Has some massage parlors and the Italian job. I just stuck for about 10 minutes, not in the best spot. So yeah, that's how it was. Amanda. Now it's also not the best image because the sun. Alright, somebody asked me about the Ultimo. Ultimo is not here anymore. It's moved actually to different location, but it still exists. And yeah, this is the, well, it's still rainy, guys, but not that really bad. Just have a little walk, but I don't know, there seems like it's nice sky already, so I just don't want to waste too much time in one spot because already lose quite a lot of viewers during the rain. So I have two options. Either I just stop it right now and just make a goodbye to you, either I'm gonna take a Grub and I'm gonna go somewhere back, or either I'm gonna continue because this is, it was like you know, as you saw, was the wave with the strong rain, then it was a little bit small, then strong again, and now it seems like it's rain with sun. So, but it's not really that strong, so it's really alright. Anyway, you can enjoy what is on the streets, facing this side of the street because it's actually currently more alive than this part of the street. This part of the street is facing the ocean. It's more likely more villages. I mean, not villages, villas, guys. Yeah, little bit not happy with the situation of the rain, to be honest. There's supposed to be some Japanese cuisine. Seems like also the street actually, when it's rainy, get very badly quiet at the same time. There's just like 10 minutes rain or 15 minutes rain, but long enough to break up the situation. Anyway, maybe after rain it will be actually beautiful sunset if I'm gonna be on time to come back. Anyway, this is the Mykonos Greek restaurant in Seminyak, in Street, Aya Street. Heading now into the direction of end of the street, Seminyak Square, Village Mall, and then going into direction of, hello, a direction of what? Kuta. Good. Thank you. Hello. Anyway, Revolver Cafe. Somebody asked me about that. I will come here to show you. I thought Revolver Cafe is open, but I'm not sure if it's closed because of it's closed already after 5 or something. But it's closed. But seems like it's supposed to be open actually. So yeah, this is the T-shirt or something. Maybe they are open actually already. Anyway, yeah, that's how it is. Back to the massage lady and the guy. Hello. Here, supposed to be something. All right, guys. Actually, 10-15 minutes during the rain, and the situation looks pretty alright. I mean, I'm not really wet, so don't worry about that. It wasn't actually that bad. It seems like weather is getting better now. Seems like it's getting better, so let's see. What is at the front? The frozen yogurt still open. And yeah, let's see. H&M, this is the mall. mall, there is the Bali bakery, there is the few restaurants at the corner and here, everywhere. And now leading into this direction, the sunset is there and the beach is also there. So heading now into the street of the area of Starbucks Cafe. Well, Starbucks in Seminyak is here. Hello. If I will stuck in this part of the Seminyak during the rain, it will be easier a little bit for me because I could go to even the Starbucks where there's no music maybe, or I don't know, something else. But I stuck in the pretty not the best spot for video. Well, that's happened. Anyway, this is the situation in this part of Seminyak, guys. And I will say it's not that busy here. Not that busy. I could say it's kinda quiet. This road is popular to leading into the direction of Kudeta. I think everybody is supposed to know Kudeta in Seminyak if you've ever been in Seminyak, because Kudeta is the first. Oh, hello, thank you. Yeah. So many massage parlors around. Those. If you're interested about the massage in Sanu, in Seminyak, definitely there's a lot. But this part of Seminyak is still quiet. However, there are some people here. And the cat. Oh, little kitten actually. Alright, this area is actually very quiet, guys. Very quiet. Little bit not the best little bit unlucky today during the live stream, I could say, but yeah, here we go, guys. At least I can still make it. Always remember, Damian from TheMonkeys, never ever give up. Okay, I was close to give up on today's live stream, but here we go. I was patient enough, and now beautiful weather come back, and I can continue my live stream, my video. Maybe I can even continue till the end. What I was planning around, this is like a Casablanca, very nice restaurant inside, by the way, but also very loud music. That's really not good. This is everything. This is like a problematic in Bali, especially if you want to make a videos where there are so many restaurants. It's everything is like a, you know, like a loud music. That's not really good for YouTube, you know what I mean? Here is the situation. I don't know what is the scams here. I used to drive here with my friend Desmond and his cabriolet, old Volkswagen car, if you maybe remember, once at night with Winnie also. Well, but currently he's in America. He went on October and didn't come back till now because he don't want to quarantine, but some reason I still don't come back anyway. That's how it is. In Seminyak today. This is actually still Kayuaya street. The street is actually quite long, and here's supposed to be actually so many businesses. This is actually Kayuaya square, but honestly, the situation in this part of Seminyak is definitely still very quiet. Check this out. Everything is foreign and everything is deserted here. This is like an entrance to Kudeta somewhere here. So basically it doesn't look that optimistic. And I could say it is actually very bad in this part of Seminyak. It's really not good. Very quiet here. Alright, here we go. Here's some Vagus. Hello. This is actually the entrance to the Oberoi Hotel. Somewhere there is the entrance, public entrance to the beach. This is the Oberoi. Alright. Oh, thank you. Alright, now I'm honestly feeling a little bit not comfortable here. The situation is not really that best Anyway, this is the entrance to the popular Kuta. It's open. Hello. Yeah. So the corner. Probably most of you, if you go to Kuta, you just drive taxi or something. However, now you know how if you walk around. Pretty sad situation. This is actually a little bit like empty zone. But now I'm thinking, as the situation closer to Legian and Seminyak, but close to Legian, this area is busier than here. This is the Seminyak Resort and Spa entrance. Very nice, by the way. And Kuta parking. It will be very busy. You have to come here and walk. Maybe they do the what is it called? Vale. So, yo, how are you, mate? That's good, my friend. Homeless? Yeah, the same as I. This is only just dark jokes. Like, somebody say, how are you? Yeah, I'm still alive. I'm homeless and stuff like this. This is like a dark jokes. Many people start joking very dark like this during the current situation. Usually during the normal videos, I try to cut off comments like this, but yeah, this is a regular video, so nothing we can do. This is a Wah Wah restaurant. Wah Wah is open. I used to close one of the videos here. Okay, honestly, I don't really know why this area next to the Seminyak resort, which is big resort by the way, why so many cars park on the street. You know, guys, in normal conditions you could think that after rain it's so fresh to walk, and it was actually fresh for the first 5-10 minutes, but now when the already street is almost dry, as you see, almost dry, the humidity is terribly high. It's so hard to walk. Whew. All right, now I know why so many cars, because here is wedding, ladies and gentlemen. So lucky to this. I was thinking it will be always everything today not lucky, but it's actually very lucky. This is the wedding by you and me. Here we go. Beautiful, beautiful wedding today. Lovely couple. Seems like a kinda wealthy family, by the way. That's also nice. This is the Legian. Hello. The Legian, the club. By the way, this wedding, what you saw with so many stuff like this, and also you see so many cars around. That was Balinese wedding, but definitely a wealthy family must get married. Anyway, they living in the kind of very premium area of Bali, and the local family, so that's good, very good for them. Very interesting fact also, alright? Because just wanted to let you know, remind you, actually that's not a secret, and I didn't said that, I said actually many times, as okay, there's so many people who struggle a lot in Bali, but it's even more people actually who are very rich in Bali, and we are talking about the Balinese people. I could say actually more people are rich in Bali than they are struggling. They are just some people struggling, so it's not really like that. Anyway, all right. Still very quiet actually, guys. Even I have to talk a little bit. Very nice houses actually here of local people, by the way. Always just passing the street by cars, didn't really realize. So yeah, so basically you could say, as this is premium residential area for local Balinese people, It's also nice. Very interesting. Some shops, boutiques. Three brothers. This is, I think, the names of the villas what are inside of this little street deep inside. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, so many. This is the Samaya Bridge, Samaya Luxury Beach Resort restaurant, and the bridge restaurant looks fancy. Colony Hotel. Nice. Yo, this is the Colony Hotel. I'm not sure actually if the Colony Hotel is closed or not. This is the Sea Circus already. So I come back to the Mexico area, Sea Circus, neon palms and stuff like this. Now you know if you walk around where to go. Sea Circus is open or closed, I'm not sure. Oh, they are open already because it was closed already for a very long time. This is the neon palms. We also used to vlog here like a few weeks ago, maybe 2 months ago. They had a very nice promo for the coffee, by the way. Wine Plus, I'm not sure. Yeah, Wine Plus is still open. Once I met the owner of Wine Plus a long time ago. There's the foreign owned and the Motel Mexicola at the front. I think Motel Mexicola will be open because it's weekend time. By the way, I really like now this image is very clear and very nice. Very nice. So little traffic here even right now. Shrimps. So at the front is the Petitenget beach parking, the main parking in Petitenget. You can walk here also to the beach, but it used to be closed usually. And little river here. This is the Petitenget beach. Entrance and parking. Used to vlog also many times, but today we are facing we are going into direction of Petitenget now, and now this is probably the second most busiest part of Bali so far right now. I mean in Seminyak, and this is like a parking, and just at the front, starting from one of the hotel, I think it's Alila, there will be so many restaurants and so much action around. This is I think Jalan Petitenget, but not sure actually, but this is Petitenget in Seminyak. It's actually pretty nice light now. Lucky as I'm facing actually this direction, not previous, because obviously will be under facing the sun, but now it's sun behind me, so it's actually great. Whew. It's actually quiet a little bit. This is nice statue here. Here is the restaurant in the corner. It's some sort of new restaurant. It's changed the name. It used to be different. 20% off for all. JBR, Jana's Bali restaurant. Hello. How are you? Thank you. All right. A little shy, but nice. Whew. The problem is, guys, the only little problem is, as my shoe is wet. Check this out. Actually, it's wet, so that's not really good. But after that, it's great. Come on, 70%. So little bar here. Oh, if I will stuck in this place for the rain. Hello. That will be nice actually, because there will be like no music or some sort of thing. This is the Alila Seminyak hotel. Hotel is open, but a friend of mine told me, who is very close to the Alila and Hyatt group in general, as Alila hotel is for sale. Well, the private owner, right, or group of the owners is selling, because Alila is just the brand. So until it's the brand, they still holding this, but contract might finish soon or something like that. Anyway, I just heard this is for sale. That's it. 220 billion or milliard of rupiah. Flirt, big shop here. All right, and then starting from this corner actually, there will be a little bit more action already. I believe, I hope so. Little bit tiring. Here is some little Warung de Dalu next to Sundari Spa, and this is the big shop at the corner. However, I'm not really getting quite the situation. Why suddenly everything becomes so quiet? Is this because of rain? What is made happen? Or it is because it's just simply quiet? Which is also possible. Hard to say. Alright. Little restaurant here, Bias. Why is the people honking? Nice place, no music. If I will stuck here during the rain, it will be nice. Here is some empty land. And yeah. And over Kimberley Spa. Yeah, let me know still what do you think about the live stream walking, especially from Seminyak. Usually if I'm vlogging in Seminyak, in Petitenget, I just drive in car slowly because I think it's more dynamic and maybe more interested. However, walking is more detailed. Let me know what do you think about that. This is the Dash Hotel, and here is some restaurant supposed to be open, some lovely couple here. Yeah, some lovely couples passing by. Some shops supposed to be here. Montego Hotel here, also open. 3,300 fans day, every day, something like that. Okay, maybe I'm gonna cross the street right now. Not handy to be here. I'll be on this side right now. Hawaiians. This is the entrance to where is these two ladies to Potato Head in Seminyak. People park on the street. It's actually so hard to walk. One side these people, one side the Bluebird. I sound like I'm starting complaining, right? But sometimes it's... Anyway, not much is happening actually here in Seminyak today. Right now, actually, I was expecting a little bit more. That's how it is. Not much. Karga. Here is famous Biku restaurant. Oh, Biku was also great if I was stuck in the during the rain. Biku always busy. Always, no matter of what, they are always busy. We used to vlog here also many times. So yeah, security. This building is for rent. The bossman's supposed to be here, but it's closed. Red Lobby. Alright, Red Lobby is open. Used to be closed, open, closed. Now it's open. Some guy driving very fast. Imani rooftop at the front. Another car. There is very problem with parking area, to be honest here. That's why everybody park everywhere. This is famous John Hardy's popular spot, delivery, and this is Imani rooftop. Also legendary place, at least used to be, because I think it's closed. And yeah, walking here, and there's so many cables on the footpath, by the way. Alright. Okay, Imani rooftop. I don't know if it's open. Yes, man. How are you, my friend? Take care, yeah. What is this cables actually? Alrighty. Seminyak. Seminyak here. Open. Hotel is open. The sushi also bar at the front. Maybe later, in 2 hours from now, when it will be already night, they will be very busy today. It's Saturday, so supposed to be sushi is open, the most popular club in Seminyak. I cannot walk on the footpath, I need to walk on the street. So annoying actually. Look at this doggo is guarding the sushi actually. That's actually very interesting. So W sushi here. Nice place. Never been inside because I'm not allowed to film inside. Just interesting fact in case if you ask. Yeah, I'm gonna close the street. I hope so nobody will hit me. Alright, Taman Ayu Hotel and Garment Cafe here. Also quiet place, but at least no loud music. And yeah, Garment Cafe, guys. For everyone who are interested, this is the Bali baby. Bali baby. Putu Bali, some couple, Spice Mantra. Bali Bond. The ladies working in Shishi, they were going to work. Not mention the loud bike, what was there. Stefani Spa. And in general situation in Seminyak, like this, guys. This is the canvas. Very nice place. We used to vlog once here where we have a background very nice with the blue thingy. This is the hotel and a very nice cafe, restaurant. It's very highly recommended. However, this is not endorsement for them. It's also a little bit pricey, but very nice. Especially if you're coming for date or you wanna have some sort of nice official dinner or coffee in the classy place. Or something like that. Very nice. Sarong. Parking skills. It's actually kind of quiet. This hotel was never open and never finished, by the way. It would be nice if I could go that deep inside high and step off the roof and show you Seminyak. I could fly drone also, but yeah. Taman Rosani Hotel entrance there. Anyway, that's how it looks in Seminyak, in Petitenget. Seems like it's more quiet than the rest of the Seminyak. Actually, I'm a little bit disappointed. But you don't know if this is because of was rain for 15 minutes or this is because it's like this. There is some bar here with the loud music. Jumbo Luvuk Hotel also, if you interested. Alright guys, situation in Seminyak looks like this, a little bit different than I was expecting. Still not getting this is because of rain or it's like that. Yesterday when we drive during the rain also was busier, but in Batu Belik on the main street, this is Petitenget, we didn't come here, so I don't know. Maybe it's like that. Getting a little bit tired. So yeah. Anyway, I think I'm gonna try to look for the taxi driver earlier today. Not gonna wait up to. Look at this, what's going on? There is some massage deal. Here we go. Interesting. Balinese family on the track. Very nice. Actually guys, I'm just heading now to the one of the corner. The guy's gonna try to fix the water. Water is over here. Check this out, this traffic. There is, if you're gonna go this way into right, there is the huge residential area and some villas there. There's some restaurant. And traffic here actually is busy. I don't get it. The people actually all going to the residential area there and passing this street, but going to Petitenget not really. At least seems like. Anyway, this is the street leading to Kind community. There will be Kind community, the Pinky restaurant, and the Forge, and the other stuff like this is gonna be Darling Donuts. I like Darling Donuts. Here's supposed to be some market. Seems like not so many businesses around. Not many bluebirds driving also here. I mean, bluebird is good if you just wanna, okay, I go now, and you just jump and go. Like any kind of taxi everywhere elsewhere around the world. But if you have time and you wanna save few dollars, it's good to order Grub or Gojek. Everybody gonna say you the same, and it's safer. Grub will don't try to rip you off, but bluebird sometimes, yeah, most likely actually. So yeah, but I will always try to ask them for the matter. Sorry guys, I need to have a drink. Anyway, nice Vespa. The Kent community, it used to be super popular place circa 2018, 2019, but it was so busy and so popular actually. Now seems like not anymore, but they had their own gold time. Basically, if you're gonna come to Bali, keep in mind as the walk path now is for the parking for motorbike. Especially in Seminyak. Alright, lobster. Nice. Here's supposed to be the... What the... Look at this guy. Yeah. Welcome to Seminyak. Anyway. Welcome to Bali. This is some... Got the water. Some music. Sounds like a very local vibes. Local tunes. I mean Indonesian. Anyway. Shooters. Nice place. Popular spots. The Forge pub, gastro pub. Actually, they have a nice food there. Nice waiters, shooters. Check this out, the waiters. Not so bad. Popular place. Gojek. There is the link. Also. Oh my God, better I avoid this. Warung Europa. I heard it's nice for bebek, for dog. Yeah. Again, for everyone who asking me why I walk on the street, this is why. Well, and also in case it's very easy to break your leg if you walk here. So sometimes walking by this street is actually really more safer. Anyway, Petitenget market here. The situation in Seminyak is like that. Little bit hot, a little bit tiring, guys. I hope so you're still enjoying and with me, guys. It's taking a while already. I think if I'm gonna see any bluebird taxi approaching me, I will take him. Loud bikes. Many places are closed here actually. Petitenget is not performing as optimistic. I think actually, as at the beginning, everything looks like It's Legian, Kuta Legian, Seminyak in the area of Arjuna level 6. It's not gonna performing very well, and it's gonna take a longer while to rebuild. But now, after I walk here, I think it's actually Petitenget and the main Seminyak gonna take a longer while, and actually Legian and other areas gonna bounce very quickly. This is Jamie. Very nice place if you are British folk, by the way. And yeah, British lad. I think in UK they're calling lads also, right? I think so. Used to live for a while there, long time ago. And yeah, there is little bit of the rice fields what left, but they already. Oh, I nearly fall down here. Oops. Anyway, there was the Jamie, and there was little bit of the rice field. And this is little construction here, so they already is taking out part of the rice fields. And if they're gonna build by the street, the rest of the rice field is useless. I mean, they can only have a view. Anyway, here is already like a one cafe, hotel. And yeah. I think this hotel changed the name. It was different name of the hotel here. Kamamia, but I think it was different a long time ago. But I don't know, maybe I'm wrong. But some of you maybe who stay here, you can let me know. Yeah, I think so, it was different. Anyway, doesn't really matter. Again, currency statues for everyone who are interested. Like I already said, currencies, mozzarella is closed. Empty. Little warung here, washing by. Yo, taco casa. What I can say, guys, situation is how it is. Pigeon cafe, the same like in Ubud. This one is smaller than the first one, very popular also. And yeah, approaching now the area of corner of Petitenget and Batu Belik and Kerobokan. Seminyak, Petitenget, Batu Belik and Kerobokan in general. Also the entrance to Malas from the south part. And the traffic slightly more busier. So many businesses on this side of the street are closed already. They used to be like a big restaurants, but they are not anymore. Right. And I think I will show you now the area of the Livingstone. Once you spawn, and this is actually where we vlogged a little bit yesterday. And this is the point where I'm gonna take a Grub or taxi and gonna back to 66. But stay with me, I'm gonna film inside the taxi. Little bit, this is expat cafe. Everybody in Bali like expat coffee, but I don't really like it, to be honest. The taste is, I don't know, not suitable for me. However, yeah, I drink like 3-4 coffees a day. But maybe I'm not the expert anyway. Well, expat at least is Balinese company, right? So maybe that's why. They won actually many awards, but I don't like the coffee. That's just interesting fact. Anyway, this is little clinic. Used to be. This is the Petitenget corner. I just realized that here it's supposed to be the police station, but it's not anymore. And now I need to cross the street and try to do not die over here, but I will make it right here right now. And yeah, I make it. Here used to be the police station, that is gone, I just realized. So this is where I come from. Me 88, we used to show this yesterday. Be careful how you walk here. And yeah, this little road here is the entrance to Malas residential area, where is this couple go and these people. Watch how you walk. I hope So there we have to be very careful, really seriously, guys. And at the front is the popular Livingstone Cafe. And I'm gonna look here now for the taxi. I hope so some bluebird gonna go. If not, I just take a Grab and I back to the area of 66 where I start. Very popular spot. Actually very nice image right now. Good quality. But yeah, quite busy, always busy. And now seriously I'm looking for the driver bit. I'm gonna stop here for a while. The sun is going there, it's so darkish little bit, I'm sorry about that. And I'm gonna look for the bluebird. But if so, I'm gonna order Grab. Maybe I wanna order Grab, not sure if there are any taxis. So I'm gonna order Grab now, guys. So very good, you have a Grab app, very worth it. You take a car, accept. So this is like I'm gonna try to find out where I have to go. Right, where to? 66. Just enjoy a little bit of the street right now, guys. 66 beach, and the pickup it's gonna be from Livingstone. Why it doesn't work? Livingstone. This one is Livingstone. Alright, confident pickup. So this is like an instruction little bit. 39k for the car. Okay, but I have to go. So Grab car, protect, and soon somebody will pick me up. I think these cars are Grab's drivers, so should be fine. Anyway, he's going somewhere very close. So I'm gonna go soon. I'm gonna drive to 66. 1702 registration. Toyota Avanza. You have a name and everything. I get it. So it's Balinese guy, by the way. Livingstone. From here. Okay, I need to pass the street and try to do not die seriously. Maybe this guy at the front, I don't know. Where is my driver? Hold on, guys, I need to focus a little bit. 1702. I don't know, this is this one. 1702. Seems like he's stuck somewhere. Maybe it's this one at the front. Yeah, it's this one. I think this guy is here. He don't wanna come to me. Yeah, this one guy. This is my Grab driver. All right, here we go. This is my driver. Let's go. Hello. Okay, let's go.
Damian, right?
Damian, yeah. 66 beach, yeah.
Okay.
All right. In the Grab.
How are you today? Good?
I'm good. How are you today, my friend? Very busy, no?
Just now.
Just now, yeah. The sunset time, yeah.
When the sunset.
And after rain, maybe, yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
Where you stay, Damian?
Oh, I live in Sanur, actually.
Oh, you stay in Sanur?
Yeah, in Sanur, but I come here to make some video, you know. Yeah, sunset in 66 and stuff. Walk a little bit around.
Oh, you walking in Taram?
Yeah, actually, I left my car in the 66 parking beach,
Oh, in 66.
and
So
I
you
walk.
here or?
Yeah, I walk here. Can you imagine that? Yeah, I walk from the 66, passing all the Kayu Street,
Yeah,
Kudeta there, the neon palms, all of this. Come up here by foot.
Oh.
Yeah, and on the way was the big rain,
Yeah.
So I,
Just
take
now
a
it's finished raining.
take a shelter somewhere. So it's actually very long walk,
That's right. How many kilometers?
I don't know. I think it's about 10 kilometers.
10 kilometers. Oh.
I think so.
What time you start to walk?
At 4.
4 o'clock, almost 2 hours. Oh my God.
Yeah, all the time walk. So it's very, very tired,
Yeah, but you got some.
Yeah, I mean, like, I have a nice video, Oh, here little traffic.
Yeah, I mean just.
Yeah, it's okay. Hello. This lady, girls selling tissue all the time, but now you cannot.
Everywhere.
Everywhere, yeah, my friend.
Where do you come from?
I'm from Europe.
Europe.
Yeah, from Poland.
Poland, yeah.
Yeah, not from Russia, okay?
From
No,
Russia also no problem.
no problem, of course.
From
But
America, from everywhere in the world, when they come to Bali.
no
fine.
problem. It's
No
totally no problem. Actually, many Russian people right now in
Many.
Bali, but they have a problem, you know, my friend, because they cannot withdraw money, you know.
Yeah, yeah. I
This
saw
is
from
big
the-
problem.
From the YouTube.
Yeah.
Some from
Yeah, the news. Yeah.
news, yeah, I see they cannot take the money.
Yeah, that's true. But yeah, but there are many of them, and you know, this is like a no problem with Russia. Like the people, you know, they are just innocent, you know. The only the official, you know. Yeah, like political stuff, you know. Yeah, political. Yeah, it's nothing about the people, you know.
People just for fun, just come.
Yeah,
That's why they say if you go to Canggu, so many people go.
so many in Canggu and in Ubud also. So many, my friend. Yeah, that's true. So where are you from, my friend?
I stay in Denpasar.
Okay, but-
I live in Gianyar.
Oh, you're originally from Ganyar, yeah?
Gianyar.
Alright,
I
yeah.
live in Gianyar.
Oh, I've been everywhere in Bali actually because my wife is from Tabanan, you know.
Oh, your wife from Tabanan.
Yeah, so I live already for a while here. So I've been everywhere. You know, in Ganyar now the market is brand new.
Yeah, this not brand new. This means like they have a new building.
Yeah, the new building, but
New
the,
building, yeah. They open already.
yeah, but the Ganyar is nice now. I mean the new market, yeah, and the street have a nice lights
Yeah,
everywhere.
Like food market, like street market. You
Yeah,
we
yeah.
have a street food, sorry.
Yeah. Very nice.
Famous street. If you come in the afternoon time, you can
Yeah.
see the food over there.
Yeah,
Like Balinese food.
yeah, Balinese food. Very nice. Very popular also.
Ubud is more popular. Ubud also belong to Gianyar.
Yeah, Ubud belongs to Ganyar, that's true. Not many people know that, but yes.
Yeah, Ubud is look like a city.
Yeah, there was the...
Actually, the
Oh,
city is in Gianyar, in government city. It is near from the market. It's a city.
yeah, that's true, but Ubud was like a village long time ago, you know, but now
Ubud.
it's grown so much. So big
You know
now.
what's meaning Ubud?
What's meaning Ubud?
Ubud meaning is Ubad.
We say again?
Ubad.
Ubat?
Ubad is like a medicine.
Oh, like a
Like a
medicine.
healing.
Like a healing. That's why maybe Ubud become place like this, yeah?
That's right. Ubud, Ubad.
Ubud,
Yeah, some
Ubud.
people maybe from nonsense, like announcement.
Yeah,
Like Uba, Ubud,
yeah.
Ubad.
That's actually interesting. Didn't realize that.
Yeah, most of the people they come to Ubud like for relaxing.
Yeah, for the relaxing, for meditation, or
Place,
yeah, some for
spa, so
yeah, Ubud, yeah. But I think in Ubud not really good for driving a Grab, yeah.
yeah. The city is very traffic.
Yeah,
Now it's almost traffic in Kuta or in Seminyak.
yeah, it's back. Slowly it's back.
Slowly it's going.
This street right now, for example, it's back. But in Kuta, it's only like next to beach walk, little bit.
Yeah, only on the beach.
Mhm.
Kuta beach.
Yeah, but
Will be traffic.
maybe next month, maybe next 2 months.
Yeah, because now the government they give the like VOA,
Yeah, VO8, yeah.
and then no more quarantine.
Yeah, I mean, not for everyone, but yeah,
Yeah, that will be getting better for economy.
yeah, it's getting better, that's for sure. Hopefully, right?
Yeah. No, but what kind of business do you have?
Oh, I have no business actually, but
Just-
just living here because of my wife is from here, you know, and she have a job here, and I just
So
decide
you going
to.
back to Poland sometime?
I wanted to go, but you know the situation, what's happened. Yeah, there was the pandemic. You know, that's hard. You know what I mean? Maybe this year I will try to go to see my family. You know, but Maybe not to become rich, you know, but
Yeah,
it's enough
that's
to
right.
just.
Money, if you looking money every time, also cannot become rich. And then it's
Yeah.
after what we call cannot say. I mean who's rich, who's not rich like that.
Yeah.
If you enough food, enough some, you want to buy something, there's enough.
Yeah, this is
more
actually, you know, it's like not really being rich or something. It's like everybody interprets being rich in different ways, you know.
That's right.
Some people interpret rich if, you know, you drive like Lamborghini, like Mr. Hotman Paris, for example, in
That's
Jakarta.
for
Right?
prestige, right?
This is for prestige, you have a fancy car. Some people feel rich enough if they are, you know, like blessed as they can go once a year to holiday to Bali, for example, for 2 weeks. And some people are rich if they can afford food for tomorrow, you know what I mean? It's like, depends, you know.
Now the people popular now look like rich, but no rich.
Yeah. It's actually many people now everywhere around the world, including even here in Bali, who they looks like you said, it looks very rich, you know, fancy clothes, fancy stuff, but they actually only look, you know.
Water floating.
Yeah, they're floating here very often after rain.
Maybe the drain is blocking.
Yeah, always here actually.
It's a few hours raining already, water floating.
Yeah. Well, this rain was actually today like just 15 minutes, but I mean, like I stuck in the Kayuaya, maybe here longer, but yeah, here is the big rain. Always, my friend.
No, normally the big water floating we have in Seminyak, but it's very sweet.
Yeah, in the street, yes. And in Ubud actually also
Yeah, in
often. The big water, but check this out, this one, look at this bike or everything. What's happened here actually? They stuck because of this car over here. But only in this short.
Oh yeah, they check the drain now.
Oh, they checking the drain here. Check this out. Yeah. Yeah, the drainage system here in Seminyak not really good. Yeah. Maybe one day they will change it. Maybe. So what did you do for living? Only driving a Grab, or you used to work some?
That's my second job. Before
Oh.
I'm a tourist guide,
Oh, tourist guys, right? That's why.
but 2 years not working.
Yeah, of course, like everyone actually, my
Yeah,
friend.
try to sell something at home, like selling the clothes,
Yeah,
t-shirt,
yeah. That's good.
wear. Yeah. This I tried to be the Grab driver from 2 months ago.
Okay.
Yeah, start from January.
Do you make like some help for yourself?
Yeah, also there's have some. I like to meet some other people.
Yeah.
Not getting stressed at home.
Yeah, that's true. If you stay at home only and have no money, that's very bad.
Because I am a guide to be guide already almost 15 years already.
15
And
years.
then start for 2 years, it's getting stressed.
Yeah, that's true.
I try to be the Grab, so I'm coming back again to the street.
Yeah, but that's true. But listen, even like today, because you speak nice English, you know, even like
No,
today you
still,
speak, oh, it's okay, good enough. Oh, this guy gonna nearly crash into the tree. New Avanza.
New villas.
Yeah, new villas. Anyway, but you speak, you know, like now today with me, you can speak little bit, you know, and with other people.
Yeah,
It's
this
good
my-
because
This is my first time to speak English.
yeah, but that's
For 2
good.
years.
That's good.
Normally I Grab in Denpasar.
Oh,
Yeah,
and
from the Renon.
Oh, right,
Plaza,
right, so-
And level 21.
Yeah,
But
yeah,
Today
yeah.
I got customer going to the
Seminyak.
no, Petitenget. And
Petitenget.
then when I coming back to meet you again.
Oh,
And then
that's
I speak English. This my speak
oh,
English
that's
for-
good. That's the lucky
Yes.
day for you.
Just to make practice more.
Yeah, but
Maybe
that's-
next future,
That's
next
very
time
good.
before Customer will come to Bali.
That's very good, actually. You never know who you're gonna get maybe in Seminyak, you know, in
Yeah.
66. It's supposed to be actually hopefully some people want to drive somewhere, you know. This police car here. Escort.
With gas. There's a gas.
The guest. maybe this guest who looks rich, yeah,
Yeah.
but they are not really.
Most the Jakarta people they like.
Yeah.
Police.
Yeah, I know. They really like it. Yeah, that's true.
It's like yeah, look like this.
Yeah, definitely,
I
especially.
think
Yeah.
no need to bring the police.
I mean, maybe long time ago when the traffic was very, very bad, maybe. But now I think it's normal, you know. Like,
When the traffic was also no good for other people.
yeah, it's actually not good. But that's how it is, yeah.
You know of two of the young people crazy rich from Indonesia.
Crazy rich people from Indonesia.
From Indonesia, they're going to the jail
Why? What's happened to them?
because they have like
Corruption?
not like a business like cryptocurrency,
And-
like a binomo, like a what we call.
Yeah, binomo. Yeah, I know this. I heard this.
Yeah, you got it. Like gambling.
Oh, yeah.
They'll, if the people lose, they will get 70% from your loss. For example,
Oh.
I'm lose 100,000.
Yes.
They will get 70,000 rupiah.
The owner.
Yeah, that one, the owner.
Oh.
The affiliator.
Well, that's not good. That's not how does it supposed to work, you know?
You know, they buy the Ferrari, Lamborghini just one day.
Yeah, of course. It's easy to, you know,
Yeah.
if you.
Now
But
two of them already going.
so there was the owner of Binono, right?
Yeah, like affiliator.
I know. I see always whenever you watch YouTube or something, they always ads upcoming from this company. But because
Because from the phone also they always asking how much.
Yeah, but-
gambling, this like it.
because this was the scam, you know.
Yep, that's right.
Yeah, the scam, not legal, not legit, you know.
Yeah, not it.
Because they shouldn't take a 70% of.
Yeah, 70%.
That's too much. It's normal as the company like this, they taking some commission, like a profit. That's normal, but like it's very small, you know, like a 1% or 10%, something like that. But 70.
70%. So that's like all. You know what all they have? Like a 25 years old
Yeah.
and 23 years old.
So still very young.
Very young. Maybe still studying.
That's
still
not.
in university.
That's.
But they buy the watch Rolex. Okay. Maybe you can check in YouTube.
Yeah, but
His name is Indra Kans.
in dragons.
Indra Ken and Doni Salmanan. Indra Ken, this is crazy rich from Sumatra.
Oh, so he was from Sumatra,
Yeah,
actually.
from Sumatra, in Medan.
I'm from Medan, yeah.
Yeah, from Medan. And then another one is crazy rich from Bandung.
Bandung.
Bandung is been like
Yeah, close to Jakarta, right?
close Jakarta.
Yeah.
West of Java.
Yeah. But so young, 23 and 25.
But not going to school. He's from start from elementary school. Doni Salmanan, no part from junior high school.
Mm.
He's a car parking. Sorry, this is like a parking attendant.
Mm.
Now he's getting very rich.
That's crazy. Yeah, but he got very rich. Okay, he had like a Ferrari and
that's
everything.
not good because they buy anything from media social.
Yeah.
Yeah, they buy it, they showing the people his face. So that's why the people they don't like, and then they will checking. Oh,
Yeah.
that's what business they have.
Yeah, because you know, like a young kids, very quick, big money, showing off, you know, and
They buy Ferrari, Lamborghini. Oh my god.
yeah, because you know, some rich people also having like that, but they get rich like very old already, you know.
But they have the track record, right? They have
Yeah.
the track record
Yeah,
from
but-
where they get the money.
Yeah, but they are in the.
What business they have.
Yeah, but now they are in prison, so that's all is gone. And
You want me to go left?
go to the right, yeah,
Right side,
yeah, next to the hotel, yeah.
okay.
Just go straight. Just I. Actually, maybe here next to the hotel will be okay. I will walk for the more
Okay, no problem.
because there is the parking guy. Maybe he will ask you
Far
for.
away or?
No, it's okay. Here is
Walk
okay.
somewhere?
Yeah, it's okay. You can U-turn here. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you so much, my friend.
Thank you.
Good luck with your.
Have a nice day.
Yeah, same to
See
you.
next time.
Yeah, take care. Oh, bye. All right, arrived to the 666 hotel. Oh, that was the lovely spot with the my Grab driver today. I will have a give him review, by the way. It was his name, I don't know, Ketut. Very nice. The music already by the beach is going back everywhere. Heading now to the parking. I hope so the music not gonna get a problem. Here it's the sunset time. Very soon. Oh my god, this music is so no good. This is 6 hotel. Everywhere is music. I tried to grab the. Oh my god, this music no good. Oh yeah, I have to talk anyway. This is 6 hotel situation, guys. So many people actually next to the hotel. And this is the 6 beach. I'm gonna get inside. Where is the entrance here? This music, oh my god, they have a live music actually. I mean, the music is good. Not sure where I gonna have a Bintang. It was actually rainy. I think it's more rainy actually here. Sunset is not gonna be today because the clouds very dark. But I wanna have a radler somewhere here, maybe in this warung here is empty, nobody is sitting. I will give them also a little bit of luck today. Very lucky today with the my Grab driver, I have to say. I hope so you enjoy. Little spoke with him. I'm gonna grab the driver, grab the radar or something. The music here, but it's alright. That's not good actually. I cannot stay with the music. So everywhere is music, guys. But it's like that. Anyway, check this out. Situation by the beach. Everywhere like this, guys. Whew. Sunset, sky. So I'm not sure if it actually looks like a sunset. There's La Plancha. There will be loud music. Of course, the music is actually everywhere. So guys, I'm thinking where I gonna get my radler summer here. I would like to say thank you so much for being with me today for such a long journey and for so many emotions happens around. Yeah, I hope so you enjoy, guys. I don't know, the Seminyak make me a little bit tired, like I have a feeling like that a little bit. Also the rain. Trying to find a spot where I could grab the Bintang, but I think the music is everywhere, guys. It's totally not possible to find a place without the music in Seminyak, guys. So okay, guys, I'm gonna grab the radar in this place over here in case if I will record the sunset and myself maybe, but in case if I'm gonna get notification from the YouTube as this video is not suitable because of the music, as I'm breaking the rules of YouTube, probably the YouTube will delay this and cut off this video. So I would like to say thank you so much everyone for watching today. I really appreciate. I hope so you enjoyed. And as always, I will see you on next week and tomorrow on next video. Thank you so much, guys. I look really tired, so I'm sorry. Maybe I'm not smiling too much. I really appreciate everything what you did for me, guys. And see you on next one. See you, take care. Meanwhile, I'm gonna show you a little bit of the water. I'm gonna stay here and having the radar if they have it. Maybe they're gonna give me somewhere here. Here we go, nice with the umbrella. Oh, I'm gonna sit here and enjoy. I hope so the waiter gonna come, and I hope so the music is not gonna cut. Everywhere is music. Actually, it's a little bit head aching. That's how it is. I wonder if somebody gonna come or not. Oh, the waiter is coming. Enjoy. Anyway, that's how it looks like. Hello, how are you today?
How are you?
Good. Do you have a Bintang Radler?
Yeah, I have.
Can I have it?
Yeah, only one now, right? Now?
Yeah, only one for now. Thank you. So nice, guys. Okay, guys, I'm gonna enjoy the sky a little bit. So refreshing, guys. Cheers. I don't know if you can look on my skin how I'm sweaty, but it's so hot actually, and it's like unbelievable. This is the very best thing what's happened to me today. Enjoy, guys. Cheers, and I will see you tomorrow. I think the music is too loud, so I will finish this live stream now. Thank you so much, guys. Take care and cheers.